G'day YouTube, Warbles on a lot here. I'm going to give a further demonstration of how on a day where there's already a fair bit of moisture in the air, condensation trails from jet aircraft stick around for longer. Over there you can see 3 condensation trails from 3 different regular public transport jets going between Brisbane and Sydney, and the air is too humid for the condensed droplets in the engine exhaust to be able to evaporate, so they're just spreading out and they're adding to the haze and the small clouds which were already forming at various different layers in the sky. I'm 1 kilometre west of the watershed on the Great Divide, 3,654 feet above sea level, so I'm in a kind of a convergence zone where the westerly and easterly air masses meet up. And I get Brisbane to Sydney, Sydney to Brisbane jet traffic visibly overhead, you know, within a 45 degree from the vertical cone. And I assure you, those are condensation trails. I am not being sprayed. And considering the global warming we've got, and considering that a wetter atmosphere is going to have more clouds, and considering that the top of clouds is bright white and shiny and reflective, and that's going to increase the albedo of planet Earth, you would have to say that condensation trails coming out of jet aircraft is already a form of counterintuitive geoengineering, whereby the carbon dioxide in the exhaust is warming the planet in the long term as a greenhouse gas, but the shininess of the bright white clouds from the condensation trails in the short term is working to lowering the temperature of the Earth by bouncing more solar radiation back out into space. The effect was confirmed when on September 11th 2001 the Americans shut down all air traffic for 3 days. No jets, no contrails, the albedo changed, more heat stayed on the ground, and the air temperature of the excited states of Norte Americano rose. They put the jets back up there, the temperature dropped again. So, condensation trails, not chemical trails. The chemtrails are wrong. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. Ciao.